In the given question, they have mentioned after rolling a discount of 15%, the value of washing machine is 29,750. So 100 minus 15% discount is equal to 29,750. That is 85% is equal to 29,750. We need to find 1 unit. 1 unit is equal to 29,750 divided by 85 multiplied by 100. 1 unit is equal to 35,000. Now in this 35,000 they have mentioned, then the shopkeeper gains 12%. 35,000 is equal to 12%, that is 112%. For 1 unit, if we multiply by 100, this 100% is equal to 1 unit is equal to 350. 100% is equal to 35,000 here, and here 35,000 is equal to 12% because they have given a shopkeeper gains 12%. So 12%, 100 plus 12 is 12%. So we need to find 1 unit, that is 35,000 divided by 112. But they have said 100%, we need to find 100%, that is 35,000 divided by 112 multiplied by 100. 100%, the value of 100% is 31,250.